Today we are going to discuss about the balance sheet. The balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes the assets, liabilities, and owner's equity of a company at a specific point of time. The balance sheet equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. The above equation should balance at all the time, and it means that the assets of the company are funded by the liabilities and owner's equity. Below is the sample balance sheet of Star Donuts as on 31st March 2017. The company is in the business of selling donuts. Items on the asset side are listed on the basis of how fast they can be liquidated. Items on the liabilities and shareholders equity section are listed in the priority in which payments will be made. Current liabilities are usually paid within 1 year, and non-current liabilities are to be paid over longer periods, usually greater than 1 year. In case the company is up for liquidation, the same order is followed. Star Donuts has total assets of INR 2 million. 50% or 1 million of the assets are in property, plant and equipment. These are equipments that Star Donuts has bought to run its daily operations. The other major item on the asset side is inventories. Star Donuts has inventories to the tune of 500,000. Inventories consist of items such as sugar, syrups, dough and packaging materials. Star Donuts has receivables of only Rs 50,000 as the company sells its products on a cash and carry basis. Cash, short-term and long-term investments amount to 350,000. The assets of the company are funded by liabilities to the tune of Rs 800,000, which can be further classified into current and non-current liabilities. The company has current liabilities of 400,000. Trade payables, mainly for payment of goods bought on credit, amount to 300,000, and short-term borrowings are 100,000. Non-current liabilities, which mainly consist of long-term borrowings, amount to 400,000. Shareholders equity amounts to 1.2 million. This can be further classified into share capital of 200,000. This is the amount that the owners contributed when they started the business. Reserves and surplus amount to 1 million. These are retained earnings or profits that have been accumulated since Star Donuts has been in business. 60% of the assets are being funded by owner's equity, which is a good sign. To conclude, the balance sheet evolves as it progresses, showing the composition of the assets of a company and how these are financed. Investors are advised to study current and past statements to understand and get a better grip of the company.